Greetings to all, I'm Agatha and you are on my channel about how to make money on binary options. In this video, I will tell you in detail about my profitable trading strategy using the MACD indicator. I use this strategy for trading regularly and I'm going to trade with it right now. I will start trading with just $10 and try to earn as much as I can. Hopefully, I will take more than $1,000 profit at the end. So be sure to watch this video till the end, because at the end you will get a guaranteed profitable strategy for making money in binary options trading, even without having a large deposit. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. In the description below the video you will find a link to my Telegram, where I personally share my profitable trading signals for free and conduct live trading sessions. Absolutely everyone can make a stable profit on binary option using this. Subscribe to my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. And now let's get started. So first, let's start by going to the Quotex exchange where I do all my trading. There is a special menu here where you can select any indicators you need for analysis. Today we will trade using the MACD indicator. It stands for Moving Average Convergence Divergence. The MACD is one of the most basic indicators for trading, which allows us to determine the strength of the trend and the direction of price movement. So we set all the necessary parameters for us, and it's best to use 12 price periods for a short moving average and 26 periods for a long moving average. The optimal setting of signal line is 9 periods. Now, let's add the pairs we need. Today I'm planning to trade on the following pairs: New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc, which have excellent percentages, and we will also add one more pair lately. So, well, friends, let's analyze the market situation. As I said before, we are going to start trading with $10. This is an initial amount and it will suit absolutely everyone, especially beginners. As you can notice, the trend now is upward and the correction is obviously expected. We also pay attention to the MACD indicator. Therefore, we put $10 on a call option. And it's excellent. Here is the first profit. Now we have $19 to trade with. Let's look for a new entry points and move to another trading pair. Great, I already see a downtrend here and the correction has just completed, so get ready for a put option right now. Fantastic result! Let's check the first currency pair. Unfortunately, we see that it's not the best situation and it's very risky to trade here. Let us go back to the second pair. And here I see an excellent entry point with $36 at our disposal. So get ready for a put option. It's perfect. That's another win. So let's look at the other currency pair. We've got a correction coming in, so get ready for a call option. That's good. It's been a minute and we've made a nice profit. We already have $129 in our account. I like to make trades on different currency pair because the market situation changes every second. So let's move to a new currency pair and prepare for a put option. Excellent! We have a great day today. From $10 we are already up to $245. This is unbelievable. The movement here is perfectly clear from the MACD indicator, and it's quite obvious that we should put our $245 on the put option. And it's again a win. My balance is already at $461. If you follow my actions closely, you may well be able to replicate them in similar market situations. Trading with one indicator is great for beginners who are just starting to learn about trading. You will not need a lot of knowledge to select the right strategy. Let us move on to the first currency pair. This is a great time to take a put. And I consider it a success. We have $876 on the balance. So get ready for another put option. And we win again. We now have $1,681 on the balance. Let us find a new entry point and put in $1,000. That's great! It's an excellent day for us. Here we already have $2,551 in our account. We have increased our starting capital by almost 250 times. These are incredible numbers. It was a super successful trading session, and I want you to make sure the trading strategy with MACD indicator is really profitable. See, there is nothing complicated about binary options, and it also doesn't take much time. It took only 20 minutes to turn $10 into $2,551. And this is the result we achieved using only one indicator. To learn about binary options trading strategies and start earning stably from them, subscribe to my Telegram channel. The link is in the descriptions below the video, and there I share all my own signals before each of my trading sessions for free. On the screen, you can see the history of my trade in Quotex. My win rate is 92.6%, which proves the accuracy and profitability of trading with my strategy. The members of my Telegram channel are also steadily earning thanks to these signals. Here are some of their feedbacks. You have to agree, it's a cool result, so I'm waiting for you in my community on Telegram. I also ask you to never forget about risk management, because it is one of the main rules of any trader. Always control your emotions and never bet your whole deposit on one trade. None of us is safe from unexpected market moves. And if you have any questions, leave them in comments and I will answer every question you have. And also subscribe to the channel so as not to miss new videos where I will tell you about other profitable strategies in trading that I earn on. So have a good day everyone, and bye bye!